Welcome, Caleb. Here is the beautiful 2026 E450 wagon. I'll kind of show you guys around the car, show some pretty cool features it got. So we'll start off in the grille. It has the beautiful light package. What you're gonna get is the amazing LED lights in the front to match the MANUFAKTUR white. Kind of go around the car. We have the 19-inch multi-spoke rims, which I think are pretty cool. This also has keyless entry. All you gotta do is open it up and into the beautiful beige interior. I know you guys were looking at it. We also have the winter package. With that, you're gonna get heated ventilated seats and heated steering wheel. This also has the navigation, and it is a pinnacle trim, so you're gonna get heads-up display. This also has driver's assist with, of course, the multi-screen package. We'll go around to the back. Because it is a wagon, we're gonna have more room in the back. Open it up. Lots of storage for whatever you're gonna use it for. The seats also do fold down from the back, which is pretty cool. Has a privacy shade. Awesome. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to give me a call, text, email, whatever works best for you guys.